Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another dessert cup. This one is with custard and lemon, and it's one of my personal favorites. I think there was a certain time where I used to eat it so frequently, like after lunch for dessert. And personally, I really love anything that has to do with citrus. Desserts that have citrus in them, specifically lemon, are my favorite. I just love lemons and their flavor, and this is perfect for Ramadan, like just as a light snack when you don't feel like eating but you still need to eat. So that makes for a great snack. It also makes for a great dessert. Very easy to make, so let's show you guys how to make this dessert. We have here half a liter of milk, 30 grams of custard powder, 30 grams of sugar, the zest of 1 lemon, the juice of 1 lemon, and 1 packet of instant crème caramel. We're using this one, and this one has sugar, so we're not using a lot of sugar. But if yours is sugar free, then add more sugar just to balance out the flavor of the lemon. First step is, in a saucepan we're going to add everything except for the lemon juice, because at that point it will not be a custard dessert anymore, it will become cheese. So into our saucepan I'm adding in my milk. I'm adding in my crème caramel, my custard powder, the sugar, and lastly the lemon zest. The whisk, we're just going to mix that around really well. Just going to take our mixture and we'll put it on a medium to low heat, and we'll mix it constantly until it starts to thicken. Our mixture started to thicken, so now we're just going to strain our lemon juice on top and mix it for a maximum of a minute. After straining in our lemon juice, we're just going to mix that really well until it incorporates with our dessert. So after mixing it really well, I'm just going to test it for the ratio of acidity to sweetness, so that in case I need to add more sugar to it. So to me the ratio of acidity to sweetness is just fine, so now I'll take it off the heat, and now we're just going to pour it into our cups. So now we're just going to cover them with plastic wrap, and the plastic wrap needs to touch the surface of the dessert so that it doesn't create a peel on the top. Covering them, we're just going to let them sit at room temperature, and once they become room temperature, we're just going to let them chill in the fridge for 3 to 4 hours. So this is what they look like after they've chilled in the fridge. We've decorated it with some mint leaves just for a nice pop of color. And as you can see, I have a feeling that just by the movement, it's very soft. It's going to be very soft and fluffy. So let's try it, a spoonful. So as you can see, it's very soft from here. I think that this is like the right ratio of sweetness to acidity, because it's not too sweet but it's not too acid either, so it's like just in the middle, so it's just perfect. And it's also like the texture is a melt in your mouth kind of texture, and I love those type of desserts because they're very soft and fluffy and airy. And also, just in case you don't have custard powder, you can replace it with cornstarch or flour, except for the custard powder is what gives it a nice flavor. But I would highly recommend that you guys try. This brings us to the end of today's video. Again, if you like this kind of content, please like, share, subscribe, comment down below, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram so you guys can support me to make more content. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!